Welcome to Touring Globe. Join us on an unforgettable adventure as we explore the wild beauty of Brazil. From the majestic Amazon rainforest to the stunning beaches of Rio, we'll take you on an epic journey across this vibrant country. Get ready to immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and infectious rhythms of Brazil. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or an armchair explorer, this video will inspire you to add Brazil to your bucket list. So sit back, relax, and let the beauty of Brazil leave you in awe. Brazil is not just a country, it is a continent within a continent, a vast and mesmerizing land where jungle meets ocean, cities pulse with rhythm, and every corner brims with color, energy, and life. Stretching from the Atlantic coastline to the heart of the Amazon, Brazil is the largest country in South America and the fifth largest in the world, home to over 200 million people and an extraordinary range of cultures, languages, landscapes, and traditions. It is a place where centuries-old colonial architecture stands beside modern skyscrapers, where samba beats fill the air during street festivals, and where the aroma of rich food wafts through busy open markets and upscale restaurants alike. At the core of Brazil's national identity lies a deep passion for life, whether it's expressed through their love for football, their fervent celebrations like Carnival, or the simple joy of gathering with friends at the beach. Portuguese is the official language, a legacy of its colonial past, but the soul of Brazil is an intricate tapestry of indigenous, African, European, and Asian influences, giving rise to a unique cultural blend that is unlike anywhere else in the world. For travelers, Brazil presents a kaleidoscope of experiences. In the iconic city of Rio de Janeiro, known to locals as Cidade Maravilhosa, or the Marvelous City, you will find the towering Christ the Redeemer statue watching over the city from the summit of Corcovado Mountain. Below, Rio's golden beaches, Copacabana and Ipanema, curve elegantly along the Atlantic, drawing sunbathers, volleyball players, and surfers. Cable cars ascend Sugarloaf Mountain, offering panoramic views of one of the most stunning cityscapes on Earth. At night, the neighborhoods of Lapa and Santa Teresa come alive with music, dancing, and nightlife that spills out onto the streets. If you time your visit with Carnival, be prepared for the most exuberant celebration you've ever seen. 5 days of dazzling costumes, samba parades, and non-stop parties that take over the entire country. Heading south, São Paulo offers a sharp contrast. As the largest city in Brazil and a global economic hub, it may lack Rio's postcard beauty but makes up for it with a cosmopolitan vibe, a thriving art scene, and world-class dining. Skyscrapers stretch endlessly across the horizon, yet tucked between them are lush parks like Ibirapuera and neighborhoods like Vila Madalena, where artists and musicians thrive. This is a city that never sleeps, fueled by coffee, culture, and commerce. For those seeking adventure and connection with nature, the Amazon rainforest is an unparalleled destination. The city of Manaus serves as the gateway to this immense ecosystem, which is home to more biodiversity than anywhere else on Earth. Boarding a boat and heading into the jungle, travelers may encounter pink river dolphins, sloths, howler monkeys, and hundreds of exotic bird species. Jungle lodges allow you to immerse yourself in nature, with the sounds of the forest lulling you to sleep and the scent of rain-soaked leaves in the air. Guided treks through the forest reveal ancient trees, medicinal plants, and stories from indigenous tribes who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries. Along the northeastern coast, the city of Salvador offers a completely different face of Brazil. Here, the Afro-Brazilian heritage is strong and vibrant, rooted in the history of the transatlantic slave trade. Walking through the cobblestone streets of the historic Pelourinho district, you'll hear the rhythm of drums, see colorful colonial buildings, and taste the spicy, flavorful cuisine of Bahia. Dishes like moqueca, a seafood stew made with coconut milk and palm oil, and acarajé, a fried bean cake stuffed with shrimp, reflect African culinary traditions passed down through generations. Capoeira, a martial art that combines dance and acrobatics, is frequently performed in public squares, and the entire city feels like a celebration of culture and resilience. Traveling inland, one of Brazil's greatest natural wonders awaits. The Iguaçu Falls, located at the border between Brazil and Argentina, is a staggering sight. 275 individual waterfalls crashing into the Iguaçu River with deafening power and beauty. Paths and walkways allow visitors to view the falls from above, below, and even from within the mist itself. The experience is immersive and humbling, a reminder of nature's raw force. Equally mesmerizing, though lesser known, is the Pantanal. This vast wetland area is a haven for wildlife lovers. It's one of the best places in the world to see jaguars in the wild, along with capybaras, caimans, giant otters, and countless bird species. Unlike the dense Amazon, the open landscapes of the Pantanal make it easier to spot animals, especially during the dry season when water sources are limited and wildlife congregates in predictable areas. Brazil's coastline is a story of its own. Stretching over 7,000 kilometers, the Atlantic seaboard is dotted with thousands of stunning beaches, each with its own character. The island of Fernando de Noronha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its pristine waters, dramatic cliffs, and marine biodiversity. On the southern coast, Florianopolis attracts surfers and party-goers with its mix of natural beauty and nightlife. In contrast, the quiet fishing villages of the northeast offer tranquility and the chance to experience life at a slower, more traditional pace. No journey to Brazil is complete without indulging in its cuisine. Food is a central part of Brazilian life and varies greatly by region. The national dish, feijoada, is a rich stew of black beans and pork often served with rice, collard greens, and farofa, a toasted cassava flour mixture. In the south, meat lovers rejoice in churrasco, Brazil's take on barbecue, where endless cuts of beef, lamb, and sausage are grilled to perfection and served by passadores in traditional rodizio restaurants. Street food is abundant and diverse, from cheese-filled pão de queijo to sweet brigadeiros to skewered meats roasted on portable grills. And to drink, nothing beats a refreshing caipirinha, made from lime, sugar, and cachaça, Brazil's sugarcane spirit. Traveling in Brazil does require preparation. Though many citizens from North America, Europe, and Australia can enter visa-free for stays up to 90 days, it's essential to check the latest entry requirements. Vaccinations for yellow fever are recommended, especially for travelers heading to the Amazon or inland regions. Brazilians are warm, welcoming, and proud of their heritage, often eager to share their culture with visitors. When it comes to getting around, Brazil's vast size means that flying is often the most efficient way to travel between regions. Major cities are well connected by domestic flights, while long-distance buses offer an affordable and scenic way to see the countryside. In urban areas, ride-sharing apps like Uber are widely available, and metro systems operate in cities like São Paulo, Rio, and Brasilia. Safety is a concern for many first-time visitors, and while Brazil has areas of poverty and crime like any large country, most visits are trouble-free. Common-sense precautions, such as avoiding flashy jewelry, keeping valuables secure, and not wandering into unfamiliar neighborhoods at night, will go a long way. Finally, what makes Brazil truly unforgettable is its people. From the passionate football fans in stadiums to the dancers in carnival costumes to the quiet fishermen casting nets at dawn, the Brazilian spirit is vibrant, resilient, and filled with joy. It is a country that invites you to celebrate life, to embrace spontaneity, and to discover something new at every turn. Whether you're drawn by the call of the jungle, the pulse of samba, the allure of sun-soaked beaches, or the sheer wonder of its landscapes, Brazil promises an experience like no other. This is a country where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where every moment is a celebration, and where the memories you make will linger long after you've returned home. So take the leap, follow the rhythm, and begin your journey through Brazil to South America's most captivating treasure. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.